You won't believe what I just created. It was 11 p.m. when an idea jumped into my mind just after I finished watching a horror movie, and the movie was so good that I wanted to create something like that myself. I instantly went on YouTube to search for some low-competition sub-niches within this niche, and I was searching for a shorts niche so I can create top-notch, unscrollable content in short amount of time, and then this channel came in front of me, She Who Knows. Looking at this channel, I was extremely impressed. They got 205,000 subscribers with just a small amount of videos, and not just that, their videos were getting hundreds of thousands of views. I was sitting there watching their shorts trying to understand the concept and their method of creating similar content, and instantly an idea sparked into my mind. I didn't want to copy them. I wanted to create content even better than theirs. I started my research on how I can possibly do that, listed down all the best AI tools in the market, and went through all the best horror image styles that can even surpass this channel. And finally, after spending hours staring at the screen, watching multiple shorts, analyzing scripts frame by frame, I finally created a short that you won't even believe was created by just one person and not an entire team, using Junji Ito's insane horror anime style, one of the most mind-blowing image styles for horror videos.
Day 31, and I still can't close my eyes. Not won't, can't. They kept us awake in that facility for a month just to see what would happen. What they didn't know is that human consciousness isn't meant to stretch that far. Around day 19, I started seeing the gaps.
Did you see how insane it was? The story, the animation, the visuals, and without holding back. Today, I am going to reveal exactly how you can make such shorts effortlessly and quickly. All you need to do is just watch this video till the end and you will get everything that you need. Alright, so before we jump into making videos, we gotta set up our channel first. And look, I know this sounds boring, but hear me out. This is literally the reason why 90% of people fail in their first month. They just slap together a channel in 5 minutes and expect magic to happen. So let's do this the smart way. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. You'll see an option for switch accounts. Click that, then you'll find view all channels, and from there just hit create channel. Easy stuff. Now the tricky part, what are you gonna name this thing? Your channel name can make or break your entire brand, especially in a niche like this, where the vibe matters. So I'm using ChatGPT to handle this because honestly, it's way better at coming up with creative names than I am. And guess what? I've put together a full prompt pack for you guys. Everything's organized in a Google Doc, and you can snag it from my Discord server. Links down below in the description. Grab that first prompt from the doc, toss it into ChatGPT, and watch it generate some genuinely creepy channel name options that actually sound professional. This prompt is designed to explain GPT our entire niche, and based on that, it will provide you some memorable names that leave an impression on the viewer. Don't just pick the first one, read through them, see which one makes you feel something, because that's the one viewers will remember. Once you've got your name locked in, finish creating the channel. Now we need a logo because nobody's gonna take a blank profile picture seriously. Go back to that Google Doc, copy the second prompt, and feed it to ChatGPT. It's gonna write out some visual descriptions for logos that match the dark horror aesthetic we're building. Once you have the prompts, just use these prompts to create your channel logo, as this is basics, so I will skip the logo creation part. Last thing, SEO and tags, so YouTube actually understands what your channel is about from day one. There's another prompt in that doc specifically for this. Copy it and give it to ChatGPT along with your channel name if you want it personalized. ChatGPT will write you a complete description and hand you all the tags you need. Upload your logo to the channel, just like this. It's already looking so good. Also make sure to copy and paste that description in the description section and then go to settings. Find the channel tab and drop all those tags in there. These tags will help algorithm understand our channel, our niche, and our target audience, and done. Your channel's officially ready, and all you gotta do now is use it normally for the next few days. Watch some videos, interact a bit, let it settle in before you start uploading. Since the method is totally unique and untouched, so we will be using an AI tool unlike anything you have ever seen in the market before. And the AI tool we will be using is named Medio AI. Before you jump right into the software and mess up completely, I suggest you stay with me so you can get best out of this AI tool, and that too, like a complete pro. Once you enter Medeo, you will see a straightforward and clean interface. On top, there is the main chat box where you can literally command AI to create the video of your choice using simple, natural language, no editing skills required, no technical expertise needed, just talk to it like you would talk to another person. Yes, you can explain to the AI exactly what type of video you want, and it will create it for you. For example, if I want to make a documentary video on blue whales, I would simply write like I am chatting with a chatbot. I will ask Medeo to create a 5-minute documentary video on blue whales and everything about them. I can request a specific image style like cinematic underwater footage. I can also ask for a specific type of background music like calm orchestral tones, and Medeo will generate a professional quality video for you based purely on your instructions. The power here is that you control everything through language, no complicated settings, no learning curve, just clear commands, and Medeo handles the rest. But let's take things to the absolute advanced level, and for that purpose, we will use Medeo in combination with ChatGPT. Inside of ChatGPT, you need to do a few things like getting video ideas and a proper professional command, because a basic command will get you basic results, whereas a professional command will definitely give way better and professional results. And for that purpose, you will find these 2 prompts inside a Google document. I have tested and arranged them here for you guys so you can very easily get the best results. Simply copy up the first prompt from the Google document and paste the prompt inside of GPT. Inside this prompt, you can input the number of video topics you want. I will go with 30 topics. This prompt explains GPT our niche, explains the type of topics we want, which include the famous characters like the Joker from the IT movie or SpongeBob or Sonic and other similar horror and famous characters displayed in a unique and terrifying way. In this way, GPT will spit out the most interesting and worth-watching video topics that will definitely keep the viewer glued to the screen, giving you higher audience retention and signaling the algorithm to push your video even further to a larger and broader audience. Now let's generate our professional command, which will tell Medeo everything that we want in our video: the style, the pacing, the type of animations and camera movements, and even the sound designing and music selection as well. You will not believe your eyes with the results you will get if you follow my method. So now you need to copy and paste the next prompt from the Google document inside of GPT. As I previously mentioned, this prompt commands GPT to provide you with a professional command for generating a perfect video for you, writing down all the necessary styles that Medeo needs to create a powerful video for you, and inside this prompt, you just need to paste your desired video topic, and GPT will write a personalized command for your specific topic. Once you have your command ready, simply head back to Medeo and paste your command right here in the prompt box, and now pay close attention. Below, you will have option to select the format of the video. Either you are creating a long video or a short. It is totally up to you. If you create a long video, you can make a video up to 10 minutes. For now, we will go with 9:16 because we are making YouTube shorts. After that, from the more option, you can select the duration. I suggest to keep it auto because our prompt already provides the specific length to Medeo, so keep it auto from here. After that, you can select your assets. You can keep it auto. In this case, the AI of Medeo will automatically create best clips for your video, including a mix of AI images, AI videos, and premium stock videos as well. Or you can go with only AI images or only AI videos. Next, you can select the image style of your video as well. I suggest going with this third one, as this is the image style we are actually targeting as well. In final, you can choose a good AI voiceover character as well. There are plenty of them available down there. You can listen them up and choose a good one for yourself, and that is literally all you gotta do. Now just hit generate and Medeo will start the video creation. And it is not gonna be a generic video creation. An entirely new editing app will open automatically, where on side you will see the AI of Medeo doing the actual cooking for you. It feels like you have a pro video editor sitting on your desk and making the video for you, and trust me, video will be mind-blowing as well. First, the Medio AI will analyze your command, then it will start the process like writing a top-notch script for you, creating reference characters for character consistency and sound designing, image creation, audio creation, and many more. This process can take a few minutes, and once all the process is done, your timeline and material box will look something like this. On side, you can see all the images Medeo has created for your project. Just look at it yourself. It is astonishing, no mistake at all, and the quality, quality, I do not need to explain. You can see it yourself. All of your material will be properly placed on the timeline and arranged thoroughly as well. You can play and review your video, and if you find any mistakes or if there is something you wish to edit in the video, you can simply just command the Medio AI down here in the command box, and the AI will again re-edit and rearrange the entire materials for you. For example, if you are not satisfied with the voiceover, or in case the images are not good or animation lacks the style you want, you can just write down whatever changes you want in the video. If you wish, you can also command the AI to recreate the entire video using Sora AI, which will have natural built-in characters speaking and built-in audio, but that will cost too much credits and might not be best suit for this niche as well. This niche works best in story format. This feature is something I never found in any other AI tool ever. Whenever you create a video in any AI tool, if there is some error with the video or you don't like the output, you will have to waste credits and recreate the entire video, but in Medio, you can edit the entire video by just chatting. Isn't that a mind-blowing feature? Now, Medio has also added auto captions to your video. In case you like these captions, you can keep them, or otherwise you can turn off the captions from here and add captions of your own choice inside of CapCut as well, but I like these ones, so I will keep them. In final, you can export the video, and let me show you final results.
He wakes to a sky that shouldn't exist. The ground breathes beneath him. Mario runs toward the pipe, but it leads him back. He falls into fire and feels everything burn. Then he's standing again, unbroken. The level resets, but the pain he tries to die. The level won't allow it. Every crush, every fall, every flame brings him back to the start, alive, aware. He realizes now, this place is watching, feeding. The level was never meant to be beaten. It was designed to keep him forever, and it's smiling.
Did you see how amazing that was? Guys, please make sure to let me know your thoughts on this AI tool in the comment section. I will leave the link to Medeo AI in the description of this video. Feel free to try it out, and please guys, do not forget to subscribe. It is pure motivation for me. Until next time.